how the Sex Offender Registry tool, SORT, can help you. Are you looking for a way to streamline your sex offender management system? The Sex Offender Registry tool, SORT, is a sex offender management application provided to states and territories by the U.S. Department of Justice and the Office of Sex Offender Sentencing, Monitoring, Apprehending, Registering, and Tracking, SMART. SORT helps states and territories implement the Sex Offender Registration and Notification Act, SORNA, registry system requirements. Available at no cost, SORT was designed to make the sex offender registry system setup and maintenance process as efficient and effective as possible. Number 1. SORT serves as the state-level administrative registry system. 2. SORT provides local registration agencies with their own specialized public sex offender registry websites. SORT's source code is provided so each state and territory can modify or expand the application. Before deciding on SORT, we evaluated a few options. Ultimately, we chose SORT because it was the best option for us. It allowed us the flexibility to meet our short and long-term goals because the core system was already built, and we just had to focus on customizing it for our needs. As expected, the SORT application proved to be completely customizable by our staff while meeting our unique needs and allowed for future changes and development. Local jurisdictions can customize their public website's design by selecting from 6 available templates or by creating their own templates. SORT allows our local agencies more control over their records and registries. SORT allows us to provide state agencies their own customizable public registry websites, including the agency's contact information, agency address, and logo. SORT provides your state or territory jurisdiction with a centralized sex offender management system that your local agencies can access and update. And state registry personnel can validate the information before making it public. SORT provides electronic community notifications and automatic participation with the Drew Shoding National Sex Offender Public website, nsopw.gov. Creates sex offender registration files to share between jurisdictions. Gives law enforcement the ability to search by any field or a combination to assist in investigations. SORT is available at no cost to states and territories. This means no licensing fees. We went from paying hundreds of thousands of dollars a year for a vendor support contract and then thousands of dollars whenever we wanted changes to zero vendor costs and having everything done by our in-house technical staff. I estimate that SORT has saved our state at least $500,000 per year. SMART provides technical assistance to jurisdictions to implement and maintain SORT, as well as continues to support the application itself. Interested in using SORT in your jurisdiction? Email registry support at nsopw.gov.